Brothers and sisters, we are gathered here today to talk the things. When me say me I go do, talk the things then. Me don't do it already. And if you don't want me do it again, say do it again. Say do it again. Why? I am Pastor Reverend Deacon, talk up the things them. And me I go talk. Some of them say them a bad witch. Cause me can't say the other word we start with B. We do some things and swear say them hot. Well, me want to bust them bubble. Me want to bust them bubble. And make them know say what? That no hot. What? That no hot. What you say? That no hot. Oh yes. Like when Jake fling the buckle, and clad Fist Brown in our face. What Fist Brown say? That no hot. Oh, and that me want to tell them. You have some girl where swear say them hot. And when you check it out, the brassiere a diggy cell red and the baggy a lime green. Oh, you feel hot and your drawers no match. And no bother check yourself. You know say never match when you put your hand this man. That no hot. Some say them a hot gal. Bugu in a nose. That no hot. Matter in a yai. Popcorn say fry yai. But me say matter yai. Some of them girl ya matter yai. And make them know say what. Clean out the matter from your eyes. Woo! That no hot. Wax in a ear can make kangaroo. That no hot. Some of them swear say them are the hottest thing in our world. And every man want them. But them are bread back. Them are bread back. Who no know where bread back? Nobody know want bread back. What you do with the bread back when you're done? You get the nice part of bread and you dash where the bread back. Some of them are bread back. Woo! Tamarind! Some of them say them hot and can't cook. Me say you better can't cook. Why? That no hot. Some of them say they hot and can't wash. Panty have doodle stain. Before you claim to be a woman of class. Oh, learn to wipe your ass. Doodle stain in a panty. That no hot. Some of them say them hot and I wear people clothes. I wear pupina. We don't wear pupina. That no hot. Wear your own clothes. Some of them say them hot. And when you check the panty them, so hole in there, when nothing in there, them panty have irregular holes. That no hot. Some of them say they hot. Check the phone right now. You have no credit left. That no hot. Go tap up your phone. Some of them say they hot. And I beg $25 every second. That no hot. Go buy credit. Some of... Woo! Some of them say they hot. Yes, sir. I'm full of hair like a orangutan.
They full of hair like a orangutan, like a gorilla.
Hair pan leg, that no hot. Shave it. Hair pan mustache, that no hot. Shave it. Hair between breasts. Oh, that nasty and that no hot. Shave it. Some of them say them hot. And I wear shorts when hitch up under them bottom. When you look on the backside jaw. Oh, she shall by the seashore make me talk. When you look on them bottom jaw. It black like Trinidad Pitch Lake. It black like night. It black like them soak them backside in a tar. Black backside. Oh. In a body rider shots. That no hot. Some of them say them hot. And I fight over man. Some a fight over woman too. Make them know say that no hot. Some of them girl yeah say them hot. And now beard. They armpit thing. Meet me by the river.
Oh, no need for the bed.
I say. Make them know that no hot girl love it thing. Take care yourself. Some of them have some big 2-pound breadfoot. And I try wear size 6. When they know say a size 15 foot fit in a. That no hot.
Young girl wear your size.
And then wear little shoes. And foot full of can. That no hot. Them say them hot. Foot back cracky like the desert. Desert foot back. That no hot. Some of them are wear blue shoes, red tights, and yellow shirt. Who them a campaign for? Superman. Them no know if a coordinate colors. That no hot. Some of them have Doritos foot. Them foot cheesy. Some of them can't. As a matter of fact, some of them have some big cow pan them foot. Woman no fit tough like a turbot, like sweet pepper. That no hot. Elbow ashy and dry, like them sleep in a flower bag. Everywhere pan them ashy, like they no know lotion. You no know lotion. Moisturize your kid. That no hot. Some of them say them hot and teeth now brush. Hot color loo bun dog. How your teeth for shine more than the sun. The ingredients for them teeth. It's a calcium. It's a yellow number 4. And them mouth they pan stink number 1. Yellow teeth. That no hot. Stink mouth. That no hot. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Say them hot. Make me bust them bubble. And the wig and the weave on their head. Smell thick. Scalp dry like drought in them head. That no hot. Wash your weave. Wash your head. Them say them hot. I'm gonna beat them. Left, right, and center. Boy, them a get liquid stick. Them a get lick like dry lips. Them a get liquid everything. Them a get liquid all dick. Chanel, say them hot, and them Gucci a fake, them Louis a fake, them Prada a fake, and them a fake. Oh, make them know that no hot. Some of them say them hot. Make me talk. Make me punch them ticket and still iron clothes from bed. That no hot. Go get iron board. Whoa. Some of them say them hot and have more man than China. Some of them say them hot and no know them baby father. That no hot. Some of them say them hot. And when them a go, them say them look good, but them not dress them picking it good.
Please teach them how to dress their children. Oh yes.
That no hot. Who said do it, Pastor? Said do it, Pastor. Some of them say them a bad witch, and them a done said.
Oh yes.
That no hot. Go learn to read. Go learn to write. Before me left, let me tell you how me feel. I said I feel. Whoa. Woo. Woo. I feel like I want shit.
Oh, Lydia. Yes.